So the first thing you need is your patient pants. Right? Truth, because you are gonna find that you are kind of facing a puzzle and you're like, how's it gonna work?
Sure, yeah.
What am I gonna do? And what thing am I going to repurpose or add stuff to? So that's the first thing is your patience pants. Then you need some scraps. Now you can go get your scraps out of your bin, or you can be like me, who went downstairs and bought new scraps. Because I wanted to have a vision. So to do this, so we just have this 2-inch strip.
Okay.
Sometimes you choose it because it's just laying there, and that's why it's that size. That's what happened here. And then I wanted to make the ends point the same way, just like it would in a ribbon strip. And so I just grabbed my little ruler, and you just take your 45 line. So it's right here. And I just laid it right on there, and then I did a cut. Put them right sides together, and did all the way around 1/4 inch.
Okay.
And now you're thinking, wait, how do you get into that? Right? Because you did that.
If I was going to do that, I'd put wrong sides together and leave a raw edge.
Would you?
Because I couldn't turn it at that point.
Yeah. So what we did is we just cut in the back. So we cut a hole like right here, because one side's going to be down.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And then we used our R&K to come and poke this out. We clipped the corners, but this is going to be in the back, and it's going to be encased. You'll never see it. But if my edges, if I happen to see it, it's the same fabric.
Yeah.
So that's why. So we did that, and then we're just going to put this together. And so you just layer it. So you have layer one, then the other, and then this one comes, and this one that we didn't sew would go the opposite, so it'd go over under.
So like crisscross.
Yeah, crisscross. And then on this, I just, at that point, took it and just sewed around them.
Okay, so then you put all your like points to the outside.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So that's how that one goes together like that. See how cute that is when it's
clever.
done?
I love it.